Hello, Superstar. You're welcome to this edition. We're looking at the markets today, Monday, 28th of August, 2023. We're taking a look at major pairs, few major pairs, what to expect from the market in the coming days. That being said, quickly, let's take a look at the first one, Euro USD. Now, clearly, if you follow Euro USD, this is on the weekly time frame. You can see my weekly time frame. Clearly, you see there's a pattern here. The market is about technical. You must look at the technical. What has happened before will let you know what will happen again. Look at this. Can you see that? So clearly you can see my channel here cuts across this. This is for weeks. This is for weeks. Clearly see that? Great. So there's been a touch here, and the touch is back again to this point. So what do you think likely going to happen? Again, the magical trend line. If I take the magical trend line, the same trend line up here, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, so I'm going to put the proper channel here. So this is really how this market has fared. It's been a very it's a bullish run, but a mild bullish run. It's not aggressive. Price go up, drop down, up again, drop down, up, down. Now, clearly, I do not need to tell you that Euro USD is preparing for another bullish run. I haven't seen what is done here. Market is preparing for another bullish run. However, the market might not just start the bullish run immediately. Let's go to the daily time frame to see it better. Now, this is the daily time frame. So clearly, you can see the pattern is been forming. This is the pattern so far on daily time frame. This is how the market ended on Friday. However, market can push back a little bit. You see that here. Price pushed back, got here, reversed and went up. Same thing here. Same thing here. Price pushed down before it went up. So, and for a bias, looking up, price can push. Of course, price can push down. So anything you want to do, you clearly want to put your stop loss below here to be safe. Now you can see I have a trade running. Now this is a long-term trade. I have a trade here. This is my SL at 1.06338. That's where my stop loss is. And I'm looking at my TP at this level. That's my TP. Again, you want to put the TP here. That should be your first TP. So the first bullish move up should take you out. And this, you're looking at around 99 pips. But again, if you really want to see the market for what it is, this is a swing trade. I am looking at 200 up, about 250. They're about 250 pips up, and I'm using 152 pips stop loss for that. So guys, this might take for Euro USD. If you go down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry, that would be great. So 4 hours will give you a better entry. Clearly, you can see rejection. Now, at the open of the market, you saw rejection, clear rejection. Market's already moving. It's already done about 81 pips, then go back again, and price might go down. Don't say, oh, price might literally go down and then come up again when market has found the right momentum. So that's my take. I'm looking for upside. So we move on to gold. Already about 40-something peak profit in gold. So I go to higher time frame. My higher time frame, weekly time frame, you clearly see I found a pattern. There's a pattern already on gold. You can see the pattern on uptrend. You can see a pattern for uptrend. Yes, price broke down and returned back immediately. So this was a fake out, even though it's a huge one, broke down, came back again, fall into the channel, and it's never left the channel. So clearly, if you look at this, notice that market has never left this channel. Let me look at this. It broke this channel. That was in 2022, August precisely. 28th of August, exactly 1 year now, 28th of August 2022. It broke out here, returned back shortly in November. Ever since then till date, price has not gone below this channel. So what does that tell you? Came around here, that was March 2023, and the price has remained within this channel. Same thing here. There was a faked out, came back again. So gold is maintaining a very subtle upward trend. Clearly, you see that price is dropping down here. Again, I thought price was going to go up because of this my EMA around this zone. However, I bounced it off and came down the lower. Here, I will be looking at a bounce off. And clearly, if this is anything to go by, I am already looking last week. We have almost an engulfing candle last week to engulf this move. So I'm on the I'm looking out for gold to continue to go up, at least up to this level where I have the green point. Then maybe a pullback, and then if it hits this channel again, you see another quiet downtrend channel here. Let's go to the lower time frame so that you see more clearly. Now you see that. However, you will be expecting a breakout here. Price does not break out at this level. It might continue to drop down. But again, we keep our hands closed, finger crossed on that. However, I'm expecting gold from this point where I got in. This is about 307 pips. That's what I'm looking at for gold. And then we'll start looking out for either a breakout or it continue to drop down. However, it's a very pivotal point. If I go to a lower time frame, say 4 hours, then you can clearly see what I'm expecting from the market. You see that? So this uptrend up did a pullback, and gold is setting off for a serious buy up. So you see where my TP is. So I'm just expecting the price to come here, hit up here, and I'll be smiling to the bank with I got in here. Yes, I got in here. Smiling to the bank with how many pips? That's about 208 pips. So guys, that's what you have for gold. And if you need to put a stop, make sure your stop loss is below this level. And you can see where my stop loss is. That's about 100 pips. So 100 pips to secure 208 pips. That's not bad. So we move on to another pair. Here we're looking at USDJPY. USDJPY. I go to my weekly time frame. Sometimes I like to take my short on monthly time frame. My monthly time frame, you clearly see is channel. These are established channels. We're following this as far back as December 2022. Yes. So clearly this is what. So I guess it's coming to this same height. Test this double top here. So if I go to my weekly time frame to take a look at this. My weekly time frame, take a look at this. I see a ceiling around this. So you can clearly see the red line. I see a ceiling around this. So I expect a pullback before a break up. That's my expectation. I expect the market to do a pullback. However, you see price has moved up. It did just come up again. But this ceiling, this red line is a major resistance. Let me see. It's a monthly. Is it monthly? Okay, this is the current height. Where it is now, the red line is the current height, but this is the height we're expecting the market to come to. On weekly time frame, price might push up to this level where we have green. But let's go see the daily time frame. Even though I'm all for the bullish move, see price came up, did a pullback, tested here, same zone. Yes, it's testing the zone. This is the first time, second time, third time. So this is the third time it's hitting this resistance. So will price break here and continue up? Or will price drop down? For me, I want to wait and see what price does from this point. If it breaks up here, then I'm expecting that price will go up to the next level. However, if it does not, this is the likely place where price will pull back, and then we can find an entry for a buy. To go to lower time frame, so for USDJPY, yes, I would want to buy or sell because it's clearly on strong resistance. Based on that, I wouldn't sell neither because price will just continue to go up again. No use USDJPY for what it is. So that being said, my next trade is USDCAD. USDCAD, clearly, I think some form of opportunity does exist here. This is my USDCAD. So clearly, you see, this is my trend. This is my bigger trend as we follow. Then within here, you notice that price play around here, around these two zones. But again, sometimes it break here and it goes up. So it broke here, it went up, came back, and then it dropped down, played around this zone and down here. So again, price is close to this region, very pivotal joint. It's a major resistance and is a downtrend. Clearly see a very subtle downtrend is we following here. but the overall trend is up. However, it's been following a downtrend. Will price continue to drop down for USDJPY? Okay, that's left. So I strongly look out for a downtrend from this point downward. That's my bias. My bias is sell. However, we're going to wait to see what the market. Go to lower time frame, daily time frame. So you can see a more vivid picture here. Now you can see sign of rejection. Again, you see rejection here. Same thing you noticed it here before price dropped. Again, you're noticing it here very well. So if we at the end of the day price continue to drop down, then we know we started to move down. Now the first region you want to take your sell to will be around this region. Major support around this area. I want to look at this area particularly at 1.34200, 1.34200 to this point is about 182 pips. So, but again, on 4 hours, I want to see a bearish engulfing candle down. So something close here, but again, I want to see something major before I can start selling. However, on the lower time frame, you can see on 4-hour time frame, you see it's maintained an uptrend kind of. So again, you don't ignore this uptrend. I want to see price break below this uptrend before I can fully get it for a downswing. Otherwise, I'll just keep my finger crossed on USDCAD. That being said, guys, this about 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pairs we just want to look at now. Another pair I want to look at is GBPUSD GU. Okay. My GU is one pair I want to look at. And yes, that's the pair I might likely just be looking for the last time today. Okay. So if I go to my higher time frame, say my monthly time frame, so you see what GU has been doing. GU has maintained a downward trend for a very long time. If I throw my trend here, you can clearly see that? Clearly see this? It's been on a downtrend. It's been on a downtrend, very downtrend. Okay. Magic of trend line. Let me see if this works. Okay. So okay. So this works. You can see that? You can see that link. So this works. Here's my trend, the trend I'm currently following. So okay. So I move to a lower time frame. However, you notice there's a subtle uptrend here. Look at it here. Call it a pullback or call it anything. But it's clearly see price has been moving up here. Yes. Price be going up here. Okay. So hit this point, is price really reversing down to the bottom? Time will tell. However, if I put my supports and resistance line at this point, I think I find a very strong support here. Yes, this point, this point, this point, and this point. This is my monthly time frame. Again, here is another point. So I have been able to box price. Let's see exactly what price is doing around this region. If I pick my trend line, this doesn't really add up. So I'm going to delete this. Going to delete this. Okay. So let's see if this works. Does this work? Okay. This didn't really give me what I want. So okay, but let's take a look at the general. So to move to lower time frame, say the weekly time frame, you begin to see a more reliable pattern. I'm trying to put it on trend here. I mean, this is the okay. Now we're going to see that price broke here and it's coming below here. I don't know. So let me see if I can find a perfect. Does this work? this. Okay, so I think this is it. This is it. Okay, this is it. So we're expecting price to go up. Maybe, let's see, on daily time frame. I think I begin to find the uptrend for GU. Yes, this is the uptrend for GU. Will price come lower? Yeah. So I guess this work better. Yes. Yes, this work better. If I take this closer here, how does it work? Exactly. This point, this point, this point, and here. Yes, even though I'm missing out this out, but this works fine. Okay, so this is on daily time frame. So on 4-hour time frame, what do I expect from this? On daily time frame, hold on. Let's look at the resistance here. This point. Yeah, this works. Point, this point. Again, respected this point again. So on 4-hour time frame, let's see. So if price come to this base, this support, clearly I might just be looking for a rejection opportunity to buy, but I'm not taking a very long buy. It's going to be a short one. See clearly because it looks downward at this point. If you look at this trend, this is a clear downtrend. However, I have a major support here that you just can't toy with daily time frame, and I have same support level here. And this point, you might be expecting price to react, even price is going up from here. A little reaction for price to start coming down here. So for GU, I don't have any clear indication to buy it or sell it. So even if I'm going to do a buy or sell, it's going to be scalping, buy here, sell here, but no clear indication to either buy for a long time or take a short for a long time as well. So that being said, on GU, this is where we might just wrap this up for my EURUSD, we're doing great. The 5P plus. My gold is doing great. So guys, this is where we're going. So stay tuned to this channel. We're going to bring you more education, technical analysis. I like this, and comment on this. Let me know what pair you want us to do technical analysis on, so I can take a look at. You want to join us every week for our trading channel. It's free of charge. Just request to be in the trading channel. We'll send you the link to join the trading channel, Telegram channel. You can see our free trading, trade our free trade, and then make money from this market, guys. This is where we're cutting. My name again is GBPUSD. I'll see you in the next episode.